Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So karon, we're actually having some company and we are going to eat our lunch. What we have here is dal or munggos. This is the Bisaya munggos, but we're making it into a twist. We're putting some Indian spices here. We have some rice. We have we have this pakora. This is made of potatoes. I'll have another video later, guys, on how to make pakoras. And I have here our homemade yogurt. And I have here my raita, cucumber raita, or this is just simply made of cucumber. I just grated cucumber, put some yogurt, salt, and cumin powder. So this is cucumber raita. And I have here watermelon for dessert. And our company right now, we have here Barbz or si Hazel, si Krishna, si Alexa, si Radhabalava Prabhu. Radhabalava, say hi. Randy Barrientos. And of course, si Buri Yoga Clemente, si Rajana. And my daughter there at Cejas, that is Rapadito Ruiz Clemente. Oh, hi. And my editor, Bhismadeva Clemente. Oh, ubo. And my lovely daughter here, Jana Clemente. Yeah, so we will be eating our lunch, guys. And also, by the way, thanks to my sponsor, I already have a sponsor, guys. My dress is from my best friend in Japan, Ruth Antoinette Peralta. Salamat sa sponsor, madam. Nasulog na dyan ako, no? Thank you so much. And this happens to be my favorite color. Thank you so much, madam. Parot, thank you so much for being generous. And again, guys, bon appetit to all of us. We'll see you later. Say bye, guys. Bye. My editor, bye. So what we'll be making today is eggplant or talong pakora. So we need all-purpose flour here. And you know, guys, so ulami kayang pakora with Indian spices. But if you do not have Indian spices, nothing to worry. You can use whatever pampalasa you are accustomed to use to, okay? But with pakora, guys, if you want to know more about Indian spices and Indian cooking, you just give me a message and I would love to assist you with that, okay? So I have here our masala. It's very important. I love masala, guys. Masala. And turmeric. This will give color to our batter. Pepper. A bit of pepper. Bisag Indian spices na siya, guys. Mukhaon dyan po ng mga Bisaya. May lami naman dito. And this is my cumin. Very yummy. My favorite, by the way, my favorite Indian spices are just cumin, garam masala, and cumin powder, cumin seeds. Those are my favorite spices. And our salt. Okay. Mix. Oh, by the way, shout out to Rickson Prabhu. This is how I make pakora Prabhu. Pakora. So this video is for you actually. So I'm just mixing everything here. So it will incorporate all our spices. And let's add our water. spices, guys, are just easily available sa Indian shops. We have so many Indian shops in Cebu right now. We have in Virama. We also have in Winea Enterprises in Ramas. Doon lang siya sa Veles. And we also have in Mabolo, Indian Temple. So, dali ito siya kapalit, guys. And you can actually make pakoras with basically any vegetables available with you. Pwede na doon kain siya, guys. Pwede kamunggay, pwede agbati, spinach, kangkong. Okay, so this is the consistency that we are looking for in our batter for pakora. Alright, so, and let's just have to add a little bit of salt. Okay, labi ang pakora na actually para sa just continue mixing. And while waiting for our oil to heat up, make sure our oil is really in it before we drop our pakoras. So again, just leave a comment or send me a message kung asa pa pwede kapalit ang mga Indian spices and how to use them. Okay, so I'm dropping my talong. And just mix. We cut our talong like this, guys. Diagonal siya and this thick on. Okay, so just basically mix everything and make sure when you drop one coated with flour batter mixture like this. This will be dropped in a very hot oil and wait for it to be golden brown in color. So our oil is really hot now, so I'll be getting one here. This is it. Drop it. Look how lovely our pakoras have become. They are now golden brown in color. So let's ready to take these pakoras out of the oil. It's crispy in the outside and chewy in the inside. It's soft and chewy in the inside because of our eggplants. Let them dance. Uh-oh. Let them dance. in here so as to remove the excess oil. And put it here. Put our paper towels to drain the oil. Look at that. Very pretty pakoras. Still very hot. Look at that. Well coated, but not dili kay siya daghan o flour batter. Just enough for this to be coated well. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video today on how to make pakoras or vegetable fritters. You can actually make anything available to you guys. Bisag unsa nga mga vegetables, dahon-dahon pa na siya, or bisan unsa, you just have to grate it or imo siyang i-cut into thin slices. And here's my editor. So once again, thank you so much, and please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This has been Barbara, Smart Cooking with Barbara, powered by Barbz Kitchen. See you again on our next sumptuous recipes. Bye! Gora, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.